Hello years 11 and 13. I wanted to make a special assembly for you to mark the start of the spring term. And it seems strange to welcome you back to the spring term. It would be perfectly normal for me to start a new term with an assembly in the hall, less so for me to be in the room entirely by myself. I think it's really important that we acknowledge that this is a new term and that your education continues. There has been an awful lot of, frankly, nonsense in the press over the last 24 hours speculating about your exams this summer. And the reality is, at the moment, we really do not know very much at all. All the government has officially said is that the exams as they were planned will not be able to go ahead this summer, and that seems fairly clear. But what we don't know is what that will look like for you, for your GCSEs, for your A-levels. But I'm fairly certain that there will be some form of assessment. There are hints in the media about whether that might be for exams for some subjects. We don't know that. Whether there might be coursework, we don't know that. Whether it may come back to teacher assessments as it did for the previous year 11 and year 13. We don't know that is the honest answer. But what I do know is we will do absolutely everything within our power to support you and ensure that you get the grades that you need this summer to go on to do things for year 11 in sixth form or college, and for year 13, college, university, with employers. And we will always do that. You know that we will always do that. But I think you need to do your bit as well. It is so important now, more important than ever, that you keep engaging with your education. Those lessons are live every day, 5 periods a day, 6 sometimes for year 13, and you need to be turning up to those lessons, engaging with those lessons, and doing the work that's set for you. And you need that for 2 reasons. One is because education is important and you have not got enough of the journey completed yet to think about giving up and walking away. There are things that you need to know that we still need to cover. And the second is the future. You need to be best prepared for whatever assessments come your way this summer. And so keep working really hard. It is really important. I want to reassure all of the students in year 11 that we will continue to work with you as best we can to make sure that those of you who want to join us in sixth form in year 12 have that opportunity to do so. And of course, year 13 will support you as best we can with whatever you want to be doing in September. Don't be disheartened. Don't listen to the nonsense in the media. Keep working hard. You deserve that, and you deserve our support, which you will get. Okay? Best of luck.